Welcome to this tutorial on how to total a column in Google Sheets. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to calculate the total of a column in Google Sheets. To start, open your Google Sheets document and select the column you want to total. You can do this by clicking on the column header, which is the letter at the top of the column. Next, click on the cell below the column where you want to display the total. This cell should be empty and below the last row of data in the column. Now, type =sign and the word sum, followed by an open parenthesis. Then, select the range of cells in the column that you want to total. You can do this by clicking and dragging the mouse from the top cell to the bottom cell in the column. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. Google Sheets will automatically calculate the total of the column and display it in the cell. Alternatively, you can use the Auto Sum feature in Google Sheets. To do this, select the cell below the column where you want to display the total. Then go to the Formulas tab and click on Auto Sum. Select the Sum option and Google Sheets will automatically calculate the total of the column and display it in the cell. Best practice is to use a separate row for totals, so that your data and calculations are separate and easy to read. You can also use other functions, such as average or count, to calculate different types of totals. For example, you can use the average function to calculate the average value in a column, or the count function to calculate the number of cells in a column that contain data. By following these steps, you can easily total a column in Google Sheets and use the result in your calculations. This is a basic but powerful function that can help you to analyze and understand your data.